Good afternoon, Year 5. So today we are completing an investigation on how bright a bulb can get, okay, using different materials. So we have a few activities that you need to do. The first one is I'd like you to watch this video. So this video will take you to BBC Bitesize. Okay, so what materials conduct electricity? I want you to watch this video, okay, and have a look at what you need to do, okay. So think about the different materials, different things that is there. Okay, you can have a look at other clips on BBC Bitesize. They may help you with today's lesson. So, electricity can travel easily through electrical conductors, but some materials do not let electricity pass through them. These are known as electrical insulators. So some of you will be making that link back to the lesson last week where we were looking at conductors and insulators at thermal ones, okay? This time it's electrical, okay? So that's the difference this week. So we're going to have a quick quiz. So there's a quiz on the website as well. So we know that metals are electrical conductors, but what other materials conduct electric? You are going to play a game to identify electrical conductors and insulators. So look at each material and decide if it is an electrical conductor or insulator. Hold up your insulator card or your conductor card to show your choice, and then your teacher will reveal the answer. So if you're at home, I want you to go through. Now I want you to, this is where it's slightly different, okay? I want you to make two posters, one about electrical conductors, one about electrical insulators. So at home, instead of doing the investigation part, you are going to have to do the two posters about electrical conductors and electrical insulators. So these items are all electrical conductors. So some conductors make it easier for electric to pass through them than others. All materials have some electrical resistance. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of electricity through a material. Electrical insulators have a very high resistance, and that is very hard for electricity to pass through them. Electrical conductors have a very low resistance, and it is very easy for electricity to pass through them. Different conductors have different levels of resistance, so even though they can all conduct electricity, some allow electricity to flow through easier than others. So, a football team needs new floodlights to illuminate their football pitch for evening games. They need to find the best conductors for the circuits in their lights, so the bulbs in the light shine as brightly as possible. They want you to investigate the best electrical conductors and present your recommendations for which material they should use. So you're going to test different materials. Now this bit at home is quite tricky, so I want you to think about which materials will be the best conductors. Now that can be through research and seeing which is the best electrical conductor. So you need to test the conductivity of different materials to find the best conductor. This conductor will be used in the circuit to power the brightest possible bulbs with new floodlights at the football pitch. Test the different materials in the circuit and then put them in an order below. So what's the lowest conductive and the most conductive? Dimmest bulb, brightest bulb. Then you're going to do a presentation. So you'll present your recommendations to a football team. Plan your presentation below. To introduce your group, what will you be presenting? Explain how you tested the materials. Give your recommendations for which material they should use to make the circuit. And thank the footballers for watching and give them any more information they may need. So at home, you can make this up. It would be really nice to see you written, but also some video clips.